All right, guys, so we need to get this shifter plate off so we can actually get this transmission working to get the shift cable replaced. But while it's off, we're gonna do another thing. But let's get to taking this thing off and getting it ready. So to get this plate off, what we're gonna start by is taking the shifter off. There's a clip right here. You're gonna take a flathead and pull this clip out. Pull that out, set it aside on the seat. Pull that off. Take these Torx bolts out. These are T15. Now this panel is this entire panel. So you take all this off at the same time. So I will do that real quick. Okay, and that piece is now aside. And here is our shifter cable. So you just gotta pop this, pop that out, drop that. Oh, you see that wasn't sealed. So that should be fairly easy. But man, it should be a fairly quick project.
So changing this out really is just a few steps. You're going to start by taking the cotter pin out of the cable inside the car, inside the console. Remove the clips, push it out, and lift it up. Once that's done, you climb under the car, go ahead and loosen it from there. Take the bracket off the transmission. You see here, we clip this in just the same way. It clips out. Go ahead and slide that in. And when you're installing, ready to mount the cable, go ahead and set it to neutral on both and put it together, and you should be good to go. So while the cables are all apart and the shifter stuff's all apart, go ahead and clean up this console top. So what we're going to do here is vinyl wrap it. We're going to begin to do it with rubbing alcohol and some Q-tips to clean it up. I'm just going to stick it onto this vinyl wrap. And then I'm going to repeat the process of using scissors and a hair dryer over and over again to get the look that I want and to make sure the actual wrap is sealed and formed to my shape of the console piece. Now this is the same for anything else in the interior or exterior for that matter, mirrors, anything like that.
All right, so the Camaro is out of the garage. We can at least get this thing testing all the gears. So it's in park right now, which is good. Brake down, that's reverse, went into gear. That is reverse. Heard it move out of gear. Drive, pretty solid. Forward, cool, all right. So I'm gonna throw you guys on the dash and we're gonna go for a ride. Dude, it's driving great, running good. I'm all about it. If this video helped you guys, give it a like. Want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. Have a good one, and I will see you on the road.